Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account you intend to host all images. Once signed in, open Google Photos and turn on Backup and Sync. Select high quality or original depending on your storage plan. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and your device is charging or battery saver is disabled so uploads won't pause. After this initial enablement, the app will scan your camera folder and start uploading. This gets the first set of photos linked to your account immediately. Next, you'll add any extra folders that contain photos so nothing is missed. In the Photos app, select Device Folders and toggle Backup for screenshots, WhatsApp, or other folders. On a PC or Mac, install Drive for desktop or upload directly at Photos. Google.com to include local folders. Once set, monitor the uploads or activity view to see progress. This step ensures images created by different apps or saved to other folders are linked to the same Google account, and to finish, verify on each device and on the web that photos appear under the same Google account. Use the albums and search features to confirm. If items fail to sync, force upload by toggling Backup and Sync off and on, clearing the Photos app cache, or removing and re-adding your Google account. This refreshes authorization. Finally, check your Google storage. If you're out of space, free up items or upgrade to Google One. These final checks complete the linking process and resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.